Hey guys, welcome to Car Garage. We're gonna perform water pump and timing belt replacement. Alright guys, so we're gonna release the tensioner of the belt by pulling that pulley away from you guys. Alright, so it's a 14 mil. Alright guys, so that belt is out. We're gonna remove the right front wheel so we can access the crankshaft pulley there and remove some clip. Okay guys, so that's one clip right there. And there should be another clip there, but there is none. In this case, I'm gonna pop it out. There you go. I have a hanger there, and I'm gonna put that out of the way, guys. So I'm just gonna hang it right there. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna remove the serpentine belt tensioner, guys. So in the assembly, there's two pulley. There's one on top, there's one on the bottom. And the bottom bolt is where you loosen the bolt. Alright guys, it's a 14 mil bolt. Alright, and there's also a 12 mil bolt beneath the assembly. Alright guys, and there it is. We're gonna go under and we're gonna do the 12 mil bolt. Okay guys, so the 12 mil bolts is out and the 14 mil bolts is also out. Now we're gonna pull the whole assembly out of the way there, guys. We're gonna remove the power steering reservoir there in order for us to remove that whole assembly out, guys. There you go, guys. That's out. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the power steering pump. Okay, so that's one bolt right there. There you go. There's also one bolt right there. Okay guys, those two are 12 millimeter bolt. Alright, use an offset wrench for the bottom one. First we're gonna remove the power steering hose, so undo that clamp. We're gonna disconnect the hose there, guys, so always have rags. I usually like to plug that with a spark plug and put the clamp over it, guys. And I also have a cap there to cover the pump, just like so. Now we can undo the bolts. Alright guys, so both bolts are out and we're gonna put that out of the way, guys. Just right there. Okay guys, here we're gonna remove the timing cover. So those are the bolts that you have to remove, guys. There's one there, one there, there's one there, there's two in the back there. It's not very accessible with the film, so can't show you guys. But yeah, there's another one right there. So there's three that are visible, but the other two are not, guys. All right. There's for the front cover, guys. There you go. It's gonna be a 10mm socket. Alright guys, so the front cover is gonna come out. I'm not gonna show you guys how to remove the rear cover because I have no way of filming the back because I have no access for it, guys. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I'm turning the crankshaft pulley to put the cylinder on top dead center, cylinder 1. Alright guys, so you can see there in the back there's a pointy thing of the cover, and you can see the white line on the crankshaft pulley there, guys. So line those two up together just like that. Those two are lined up pretty good, and we should have a top dead center right there. You can see the index on the camshaft sprocket, and there's also an index there of the cover, and they lined up. Alright guys, there you go. Alright guys, so I have removed the bolt of the back timing cover, guys. I'm just gonna pull that out. There you go, guys. I'm also gonna show you guys the index mark for the back. Alright, so that's the index of the rear camshaft sprocket, and it lines up to the cover. Alright guys, now we're gonna remove the crankshaft pulley. Here I have a 19mm crankshaft pulley bolt. We're gonna unzip that, pull it out, then we can remove the bottom timing cover, guys. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna pull out the crankshaft pulley. There you go, it's out. Now we can remove the lower timing cover. And you can see, guys, I removed the keyway pin. There you go. If that comes out with the pulley, just put it back to where it came from, just like that. Alright guys, so top left corner, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There's 7 10mm bolts for the lower cover. Alright guys, alright, I've got rid of the bolt, guys. Now I'm pulling out the cover. There you go, guys. That cover is out. There you go. You can see the timing tensioner right there on the top left corner. We can see stains there, residue of coolant. So obviously this has been leaking for quite a while now with coolant. Alright guys. Alright, now we're gonna remove the engine mount, guys. Alright. Alright. So have a jack underneath the oil pan, guys, so we can zap the engine mount bolts. Just like that, guys. So that's a 14. Alright, remove the ground. It's a 10 mil. That's a 17 mil. Okay, and the next two bolts are 14 mil bolts. Alright guys, that's out. We're gonna remove that too, which is a 17 mil bolt. Alright, we'll move that out of the way, guys. We're gonna remove that bracket. Okay guys, we are gonna remove the 10 mil bolt first, and we're gonna do a 14 mil bolts, 2 on top, 1 on the bottom. Alright guys, so let's get this 10 mil bolt out of the way first, guys. 14 mil is right there. Another 14 mil there is just below, guys. Alright guys, it's out. There you go. So those 2 on top and there's 1 on the bottom. Alright guys, they're all 14 mil bolts. Okay. Alright, so that's the water pump. Alright, you guys can see water pump is really done. It's been leaking for quite a while now, guys. Alright guys, the timing belt tensioner pulley there, we're gonna remove it so we can remove the timing belt. There you go guys, timing belt tensioner is out. There you are guys. Okay guys, we're gonna remove the timing belt. There you go guys, that's out. Alright, we're gonna pull that out. As you guys can see, I haven't put back that kiwi pin, but it's okay, I know how it goes. And here I'm showing you guys that the index on the crankshaft pulley lines up in the mark there of the body. Alright guys, so hope you guys like this portion of the video. You guys can see the part 2 in the link. Thank you for watching, guys.